How to set up Geico automatic payments. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can set up Geico automatic payments. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to geico.com. Make sure to sign into your account. For that, tap on this human icon, then tap on the login option. Now you want to enter all of your credentials and get logged into your account. Now, automatic bill payment is an easy way to pay your policy. One-time setup and your payments will always be made on time as long as the funds are available. For this, you want to click on the payment methods page, then you can easily manage your policy from there. Click on the automatic payments option and select the account or card you want to use for your automatic payments. You may need to add a new payment method if desired account or card is not already on file. Then follow the prompts to confirm your selection and set the frequency of the payment. Now, review your automatic payment settings to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the setup. You should receive a confirmation message or email once automatic payments are successfully set up. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.